When you look at the sky at night, what do you see? Stars. Millions and millions of stars. There are an estimated 1 billion trillion stars in the observable universe, of which our sun is just one. But where do stars come from? How are they formed? It all starts here, in what's called a nebula. A nebula is a large cloud of dust. Yes! Very dusty! Over time, gravity will start to pull the dust together until eventually it becomes a protostar. Huh! There's one. There's another one. And another one. After this, there are two main paths a star can take. It could become an average star, or it could become a massive star. First, let's start with the average star. After billions of years, this average sun will eventually become a red giant. Next, the star becomes a white dwarf, and as it does this, a star nebula is formed from the excess dust and gas. Remember, a star nebula is where new stars are born. White dwarfs are hotter, and that's why they're white. They have the same mass as an average star, but it's packed in a much smaller space. Finally, the white dwarf becomes a black dwarf. A black dwarf would be hard to see because it's cooled so much that it doesn't give off light. What about the other path a star can take? If it's a massive star, it can become a red supergiant. A red supergiant is much larger than a regular red giant, with a diameter that is often 1,000 times greater. Eventually, it becomes so massive that it literally explodes. This is called a supernova. Finally, after the supernova, one of two things will happen. It can become a neutron star, which is extremely dense. Some neutron stars, called pulsars, they give off radiation in the form of pulses. Or it could be really dense and become a black hole. The gravity in a black hole is so strong that not even light can escape its pull. And that is how a star is born, lives, and dies. Thank you for watching.